Morning student, today we will learn a new topics from Mathematical Primer B workbook. Okay, so now open the page number 14. Write the date here, 21 September 2020. Count the item in each big box. Write their number in the small box. Okay, here in this big box we have to count the items. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to write the number 5 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 tomatoes. So we have to write the number 8 here. 1, 2 and 3. 3 teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write the number 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2. Now turn the page. Page number 16. Write the date here. 21 September 2020. Count the number of objects in each set. Circle the correct numeral. Color the object. I already color all object. Okay. How many ball? 1. So we will circle on number 1. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3. So we will circle on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now turn the page. Page number 18. Write the date here. 21 September 2020. Count the number of objects in each set. Circle the correct numeral. Color the object. Okay. You have to color all objects. Okay. 1, 2. So we circle the number 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You already learned counting, matching from nursery. Okay? Turn the page. Page number 20. Now fill the missing numbers from 1 to 50. First of all, you have to write the date here, 21 September 2020. Okay? 1. After 1 will number which number will come? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50, 50. Okay? Now once again turn the page. Page number 22. Write the date here, 21 September 2020. Track the numbers from each set. Circle the correct number word. Okay? First of all, we have to track this number 0. The spelling of 0 is Z-E-R-O. Okay? So, we will circle on spelling of 0. 1. 1 elephant. Track the number 1 and then track the spelling of 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. First we track the number 3, then T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. Track the number 4, then circle on spelling F-O-U-R 4. 5. Track the number 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. Track the number 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. Track the number 9. Spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E 9. And 10. 1, 0, 10. The spelling of 10 is T-E-N. open your mathematical primer B workbook, page number 24. Okay. Sign of is equal to, sign of is greater than, and sign of is less than. Okay. When both sides weight is equal, then we will put the sign of is equal to. So track this sign. Okay. When this side's weight is more than the other side, we will put the sign of is greater than, like this way. Okay. And when this side's weight is less than this one, that time we will put the sign of is less than. Okay. Track the sign. Use pencil crayons. Speak aloud as you track. Okay. Here there are 2 cups of ice cream. Both are equal. So we will just track the sign of is equal to. Here this ice cream is more than this one. So we will track the sign of is greater than. And this ice cream is less than this one. So we just track the sign of is less than. Now here both glass juice are equal. So we just track the sign of is equal to. This glass juice is more than this one. So we will just track the sign of is greater than. And here this glass juice is less than this one. So we will just track the sign of is less than. Now turn the page. Page number 26. Okay. Here there are 3 cats. 1, 2 and 3. Here also there are 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Both are same. Number 3 and number 3. Both numbers are same. So we just track the sign of is equal to. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 1, 2. Number 2. Number 3 is bigger than number 2. And here also the cats are more than 2 cats. So we will just track the sign of is greater than. 1, 2. Number 2. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. Number 2 is smaller than number 3. So we will just track the sign of is less than, because number 2 is smaller than number 3. I hope you understand this concept. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Number 5, number 5. Both are same number. So we will just track the sign of is equal to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. 1, 2. Number 2. Number 5 is bigger than number 2. So we just track the sign of is greater than. 1, 2. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Number 2 is smaller than number 5. So we just track the sign of is less than. Now 9 pencils, 9 pencils. Number 9, number 9. Both are same. So we just track the sign of is equal to. 9 pencils, 6 pencils. Number 9 is bigger than number 6. So we track the sign of is greater than. 6 pencils, 9 pencils. Number 6 is less than number 9. So we just track the sign of is less than. Okay. 7 candles, 7 candles. Number 7, both are same. So we just track the sign of is equal to 4 duck, 3 ducks. Number 4 is bigger than number 3. So we just track the sign of is greater than. 2 teddy bears, 4 teddy bears. Number 2 is smaller than number 4. So we just track the sign of is less than. 6 balloons, 9 balloons. Number 6 is less than means smaller than number 9. So we just track the sign of is less than. 8x, 6x. Number 8 is bigger than number 6. So we just track the sign of is greater than. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, number 5. Number 3 is smaller than number 5. So here we track the sign of less than. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Number 4 and number 4. Both are same number. So we just track the sign of is equal to. Okay. Now, I hope you understand the concept. Both numbers are same. Then we will put the sign of is equal to. When one number is bigger than the other one, we just put the sign of is greater than. And when one number is smaller than the other, we just put the sign of is less than.